Hello! So today I want to show you how easy it is to steam veggies inside of the Instapot. This is my go-to kitchen gadget. I use it every single day and it's amazing. So I like to steam a variety of different veggies, from sweet potatoes to squash, pumpkin. You can do potatoes, beets. I mean, there's a variety of different things. And today we will be steaming these beautiful squash pieces. So I have already cut them and gotten all the seeds out, and you can see this is kind of what they look like. So these are going in the Instapot, and let me show you how easy it is to use this incredible Instapot. So I'm going to put the container into the Instapot first. This is how big it is. It's huge and can fit so many different things and a lot of different veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and add about 1 cup of water. Gotta make sure that the water is cold. And then I'm gonna put in my steamer basket like this, right? And that's it, it's ready to go. I put my little squash babies in there, and it doesn't matter how they go, just stack them and it's ready to go. I'm gonna put on the cap. It locks it, and when it makes that noise, it means it locks it. This vent is gonna be in the middle, meaning it's gonna steam is gonna come out of here while it's working, so you should, turn on a fan. Doesn't need to be that, like this. There we go. And for sections, I'm going to choose steam. And for these squash, because I cut them open, I think 12 minutes will suffice. So it'll warm up and then it'll work for 12 minutes and I'm done. I can go do my thing. I don't have to worry about it. It's going to cook my breakfast for me. So it's going to go ahead and start warming up. So it's all done. I just turned it off and unplugged it, and you have the option of releasing the steam, and the steam will release on its own, but I just left it and it manually released the steam. So it's ready to be open. Let's take a look. Ooh, look how pretty those look. Oh my goodness, so soft, so healthy. This is the healthiest way to eat right here, is by steaming your veggies. So let me just get a fork so I could show you like how soft. Oh, perfectly soft, like mashed potatoes. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, yes. Thanks, Instapot.